Thinking about hiring international talent, but unsure how to navigate the UK immigration rules? Here's what every employer needs to know to stay compliant and competitive. Hi, I'm Harry from Fragaman, a global leader in immigration services. We support organisations in building international workforces whilst ensuring full compliance with immigration laws and regulations. In this video, I'll walk you through key considerations for employing overseas talent in the UK. So what are the immigration pathways for overseas talent? UK employers typically engage overseas professionals through two main categories. Employer-sponsored visas, where a UK employer acts as a licensed sponsor and takes responsibility for the worker's stay and compliance. And self-sponsored visas, where individuals qualify for UK entry based on their own background or circumstances, without requiring employer sponsorship. So what are the key employer-sponsored visas? These routes require employers to hold a valid sponsor licence and comply with the UK sponsorship framework. They also have strict eligibility criteria on the UK role, such as skill and salary level. Let's take a closer look at the main visa types in this category. The skilled worker visa, ideal for permanent hires in the UK. This visa offers a path to permanent residence and is suitable for roles meeting specific salary and skill thresholds. Employers must hold a valid sponsor licence, have a genuine vacancy for a qualifying job, and remain compliant with sponsorship duties, such as reporting any changes to the visa or the role. The Global Business Mobility Senior or Specialist Worker visa. This is designed for short-term assignments where employees from a linked overseas entity come to the UK on a secondment basis. This route is not a path to permanent residence, but allows businesses to deploy talent for temporary key projects. Global Business Mobility Graduate Trainee route. Tailored for graduates on a structured training programme, this visa supports short-term secondments to the UK from a linked overseas business. It's ideal for rotational placements as part of a global graduate scheme. The GAE Internship Visa. Now, these visas are not directly sponsored by the employer, but by a third-party licence holder, like Fragaman. They allow individuals to come to the UK for qualifying internship programmes on a temporary basis. Now moving to look at the self-sponsored visas. Now, these routes do not require a job offer or an employer sponsorship. Instead, they're based on the individual's background, their achievements or nationality. So common options under these routes include the Youth Mobility or Young Professional Scheme visa. Now, this is open to young individuals, typically aged 18 to 30, from select countries such as Canada, Australia, South Korea, and India. It allows these nationals to live and work in the UK for up to 2 years without employer sponsorship or salary or skill requirements for their UK role. The High Potential Individual Visa. This is for recent graduates of top global universities. It enables you to work in any UK role, offering employers access to highly educated talent without the need for sponsorship. The Graduate Visa. This is available to those who've recently completed a degree at a UK university. This visa allows for graduates to stay in the UK for up to 2 years or 3 years for PhD holders and work in any role. However, these validity times are under review and subject to change. The UK Ancestry Visa. This route is for Commonwealth nationals who have a UK-born grandparent. It allows you to work in the UK for 5 years and offers a path to permanent residence. Finally, the Global Talent Visa. Now, this is for individuals who are exceptional in their field, whether in academia, research, arts or culture, or digital technology. The visa requires endorsement by a recognised body or for the applicant to have won an eligible, prestigious prize. This visa can be granted to both established leaders and emerging talent, and also offers a path to permanent residence. So that covers the main types of work visa that you can hire talent under, and whilst other options do exist, these are the most common visa types. So now to touch on the importance of compliance. Immigration compliance is not optional. The UK authorities closely monitor employers' activities, and non-compliance can result in serious consequences, including licence suspension or revocation for sponsoring employers. Employers must maintain accurate records, report changes in employment status, and ensure all visa conditions are met. A proactive compliance strategy is essential to mitigate any risk. So how can Fragaman support you? At Fragaman, we provide tailored immigration solutions to help organisations recruit and retain global talent. From sponsor licence applications to compliance audits and strategic workforce planning, our team is here to support your business every step of the way. If your organisation is considering hiring talent from overseas, we invite you to connect with us at Fragaman. For more information on immigration content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.